So I'll be showing you how you can see any password in plain text on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. So go to settings. Let me just go back to the main settings page. So on the settings page, go to connections and then go to Wi-Fi. So you can tap on the settings icon of any Wi-Fi network like this one that I've connected to, or any Wi-Fi password that you have saved. Okay, all the saved Wi-Fi networks are going to be here under advanced settings, under manage networks, and you should see a list of all your saved Wi-Fi networks, including the one you're connected to. And you can tap on any network from here and you should see the password in plain text. It's literally that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.